Welcome, this is lecture 2. I'm Shuaib Muhammad and you are watching 5 minute max. Alright, every lecture, this is going to be like 5 minutes of my lecture and whatever I know about 3ds Max, that's Autodesk 3ds Max and sharing the knowledge. So on first day, it was pretty boring. I just made you guys stare at the screen so that like you gain more confident. Now let's just start doing something with this program finally. Um, because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are just like watching day one, then like after finishing the first 5 minutes, then like you're again like just like say, hey, I'm not gonna wait for another day. I'm just going to like start learning right now. You know? Okay, I'm trying to do that. There you go. And extrude that. It became red. You don't have to understand what I'm doing right now, but I'm just like doing stuff. Now almost 1.5 minutes has passed, so within 5 minutes I have to like make you understand what this is. Well, this is a mouse cursor. So yeah, this is just a mouse cursor, but this is the most important thing in the Max. This is called a selection tool. So selection tool is right here. Select object. So if we press this button, select object, the selection tool comes up. With this tool, you select stuff like say I had like rectangular selection tool selected. Then if I select this one, it says line 1, which was the name of this object. But let's just show why we need selection tool. Let's copy that like 3 times. I'm going to teach you all these, so if you're like middle of something thinking, okay, why this thing is like so fast he's doing and like why this is so complicated, it's not. Just follow what I'm doing and listen to my lectures 5 minutes every day. So say I have selected line 1, this is line 2. Max renames everything like in order if you duplicate in style. Now 3 minutes passed. Let's show you why we need selection tool. Select object like is changed when you press other buttons. This is select and move button. This is rotate button. You can rotate or like select stuff with these buttons, but when you're using any other tools like rotation tool or move tool, using the buttons which are called select and move or select and rotate, your selection tool goes away. You end up having the only tool which is selected. For this case, it's just select and rotate. But I want to like select them as I was selecting them without having the control of rotation or move. I don't want these. How I'm going to like select them? You press on select object button and then you select all of them. Now if you move your mouse, it doesn't do anything, but if I was on rotate, if I'm selecting this and like going right, left and right, it just like messes things up. That's why you always need to make sure that like you're most of the time parked in neutral gear, which is selection tool, select object. Now this is our lecture 2, and I'll be seeing you guys on lecture 3 where we are going to like understand about the rest of the tool. So how you select object using Q in the keyboard. Q. So remember the keyboard shortcut Q for lecture 2. See you guys on lecture 3. Have a good one.